Hello children, today I am here in this video going to explain you T.H. Morgan's crosses, right? T.H. Morgan, he did his experiment with Drosophila melanogaster, that is fruit fly, and he performed two crosses there and both were dihybrid cross. And what he wants to show through his these crosses that what's the relationship between linkage and recombination and linkage and distance, how they are related to each other, that he wants to show through his crosses. So let's begin his this experiment. So let's first talk about the characters that he had chosen for his experiment, right? So I'll write all the three characters which he has taken for the two crosses. So he did with fruit fly, okay, and the characters he had taken was first one a body color, okay, body color, and the one which is dominant I am writing here in this column, and the recessive one I am writing here in this column, right? And in the body color, the Drosophila they are brown in color, they may be brown in color, or they may be yellow in color, okay. Then next character that he had taken for his cross was a eye color, okay, eye color. Now in eye color, red is the dominant one and white color white is recessive over red one. And the third which he has taken for his cross was wing size. So either it was normal or it was miniature. Okay. Now Mendel, when did his crosses taking any of the character, then what he did, the dominant was shown by the capital letter of this one, like B, capital B, and the recessive allele of the same was denoted by small b, right? But in case of Morgan's experiment, what he did, he showed yellow with a small letter y, right? A recessive one with a small letter y, and a dominant with the same small letter with a plus sign, okay. So he had taken a letter of a recessive feature and small letter of the recessive feature and plus sign for the dominant one, okay. So this is means if it is y plus allele, it means it's the body color is brown one, okay. And for this w, small w for white and small w with plus sign for a dominant of it, okay. Miniature, small m, okay, and this dominant with plus sign over n. This was the way, okay. Now what else I have to tell you that you know that genes are located on a chromosome. Okay, this is a chromosome. Now and these three genes, these three characters, okay, which he had taken of fruit fly was present on X chromosome. This means the inheritance will be sex-linked inheritance if these genes are present on X chromosome, okay. So the alleles means that these genes, the genes for these three characters, they were present on X chromosome, okay. They were present on X chromosomes, and the corresponding on Y chromosome, the corresponding gene for these three characters on Y chromosome was absent, okay. So on Y chromosomes, the corresponding genes for these three features were absent, okay. So if this is a X chromosome, right, for example, in case of men, the 23rd pair of chromosome is a sex chromosome, and in case of male it is XX, and in case of female it is XY, okay. So if it is a means y1, which is a slightly shorter than the x1. So if this gene this locus is for a body color, or this locus is for a eye color, and if this means some other one, like this is the locus for a this wing size, so the corresponding gene of these three characters on Y chromosome was absent, was not present in Y chromosome. So this is the fact. First thing, that these three features in Drosophila was present on a sex chromosome, and that even it was X linked only. Okay, on X chromosome they were present, and on the corresponding Y chromosome no genes for that. Okay, now let's start now. So I am rubbing this. Okay, now he did two crosses, both were dihybrid cross. Dihybrid cross means taking two characters, means only the two characters which he was taken for, which he is focusing on, that were different in the two, while rest all are same. Okay, so and for a cross we have to take a male fly and a female fly. So I am making here, it's a male fly and this one is a female fly. Okay, now he has taken a male parent and a female parent to cross. Okay, so a male parent, and I am showing only the sex chromosome, and if it's a male parent it will have a X chromosome and it will have a Y chromosome, which is slightly smaller. X and Y. Sex chromosome only I am showing in case of a fly, and in case of female the sex chromosome will be of XX type. It will be of XX type, this one. Okay, and the two character with which I am starting doing this cross 1, अभी हम cross 1 कर रहे हैं, and in cross 1 I am showing only dihybrid, so I have to take two characters, so I am doing with two, that is body color and eye color. Okay, and the genes for body color I will show with this one. Genes for body color is, let it be, this is the locus for body color, and the male is male is brown bodied, let it be, male is brown bodied and it is having a red eye, and the female one is yellow bodied, it is yellow bodied and is having a white eye. Okay, now I have to show, so let this be the locus for a brown body color and this be the locus for a eye color. Okay, so if it is brown, so I have to show with Y plus sign, and if it is having a red eye, then I have to show with this W plus sign. Okay, and on Y chromosome no corresponding gene for that, and here again I am showing the two locus for body color and eye color, and the female one is a yellow bodied, so it is small y, and white eye, that is small w. So these are the male and female parents. Okay, and we have to do a cross. Now what they will do first, they will form a gametes first, right? ये पहले gametes बनाएंगे, and let the gamete of this male parent be 50% of the gamete will be X type and 50% of the gamete will be of a Y type. Okay, ये 50% X का है और 50% Y का है, ये 50% बनेगा, and this again means 50% of sperm will be of this type, 50% of sperm will be of this type, and here 100% of the ovum will be of this type, 100%. Okay, 100% of the ovum will be of this type, and here it's having Y plus and W plus, and there is no gene on the Y, and here again it is Y and W, 100% of the ovum will be of this type. Now on fusion, either this of the sperm will fuse with this egg or this egg will fuse with this sperm. Okay, so if this will happen, the resulting progeny, the resulting offspring will be a female one, a daughter one, right? It will be a daughter one, and it will be Y plus W plus and YW. Okay, so what will be the phenotypic expression for body color and eye color? Here this daughter will be brown bodied, है ना, this will be brown bodied and with a red eye. Okay, and if this will be the combination, if the ovum will fuse with this sperm, the combination will be the offspring would be a male one, a son will form, they will form son, and it will have small y and small w and no gene here on a Y chromosome, and this son, this will be daughter and this will be a son, and this son will be yellow bodied and white eyed males will be produced. Okay, and then as usual जो F1 progenies आती हैं, these are the gametes, okay, and these are F1 progenies, we get F1 progenies. Okay, now what Mendel did, he also performed selfing. Then selfing means cross between the progeny of same progenies of same generation, right? So this is F1 generation, उसी के progenies को आपस में cross करना, that is a selfing. तो हम इसका selfing करते हैं. Okay, what we are doing selfing. Okay, now so a female parent will be like this and a male parent will be like this. Okay, for the next cross means, है ना. Now to get F2 generation, अगर हमें F2 generation चाहिए और हम यहाँ पे selfing कर रहे हैं, तो हम इसे एक parent मान सकते हैं और इसे एक parent मान सकते हैं, जो कि दोनों ही progenies हैं F1 generation के, and that's why it's a selfing. अब मैं इसके क्या क्या gametes हो सकते हैं, okay, क्या क्या possibilities हो सकती हैं gametes की. तो ये gametes इसका this one and ये मैं ऐसे बना देती हूँ. Okay, and let's show ये gametes 50% of the gametes will be of Y plus and W plus, and 50% of the gametes will be Y and W. When this will be a 50%, when there will be no crossing over, but a crossing over may occur during meiosis. meiosis के समय में meiosis crossing over भी होता है, where exchange of material occurs. अगर crossing over होता, अगर इस पोजीशन पे क्रॉसिंग ओवर हो जाता तो व्हाट, तो एक्सचेंज ऑफ मटेरियल हो जाता, राइट. तो फिर ये दो पॉसिबिलिटीज भी हैं आपके गैमीट्स के बनने की. ओके, ये पॉसिबिलिटीज भी हैं, एंड द टू पॉसिबिलिटीज, अगर एक्सचेंज ऑफ मटेरियल हुआ है तो ऐसे कि ये Y प्लस था और यहाँ पे W प्लस था, बट एक्सचेंज ऑफ मटेरियल हुआ है तो यहाँ पे W आ गया है, एंड हेयर ये Y है तो यहाँ पे जो है वो W प्लस आ गया है. तो अगर क्रॉसिंग ओवर हुआ है तो ये वाले दो हैं, और अगर क्रॉसिंग ओवर नहीं हुआ है तो, है ना, इफ देयर इज नो क्रॉसिंग ओवर तो हमारी पॉसिबिलिटीज गैमीट्स के बनने की ऐसी हैं. बट अगर क्रॉसिंग ओवर हुआ है, ओके, इफ क्रॉसिंग ओवर ऑकर्स, अगर हुआ है तो ये है. तो ये चार तरह के हमारे गैमीट्स हैं, ठीक है. एंड इन केस ऑफ दिस वन, ये जो मेल है, ये जो गैमीट्स बनाएगा दैट विल बी ऑफ टू टाइप. ये ऐसे बनेंगे 50% इस तरह के एंड 50% जो है वो ये वाले, राइट. तो 50% ये हो गए हमारे पॉसिबिलिटी. तो यहाँ पे आपका है Y एंड W एंड नो कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग जीन ऑन दिस, ठीक है. अब हमें क्रॉस दिखाना है, बेटर वे टू शो क्रॉस कि आपको क्लियरली दिखे, अंदर समझ में आ जाए. तो बेटर टू मेक अ Punnett square, right? Punnett square बना लेते हैं जल्दी से. And here I am showing the male gametes. I am showing male gametes here, and the female gametes I am showing here, right? And female gametes मैं जल्दी से बना लेती हूँ. यहाँ पे चारों, एक था हमारे पास में, ये चार बना लेती हूँ मैं. दो थे जो कि क्रॉसिंग ओवर नहीं हुआ है तब, एंड दो ऐसे हैं जब जहाँ हम दिखा रहे हैं कि क्रॉसिंग ओवर हुआ है, तो एक्सचेंज ऑफ मटेरियल हुआ है. एंड इन केस ऑफ मेल हमारे पास में दो ही हैं, 50% ऑफ दिस टाइप एंड 50% विल बी ऑफ दिस टाइप. अब हम फटाफट दिखा देते हैं. यहाँ पे क्या है, यहाँ पे है Y प्लस एंड W प्लस, एंड हियर Y and W, and here exchange of material, so Y plus and W, and here Y and W plus. These are the 4, and here we are having only Y and W and no corresponding gene or Y chromosome. And let's do a cross. फटाफट करते हैं. पहले तो मैं सब बना देती हूँ. यहाँ पे ये इसका और इसका कॉम्बिनेशन यहाँ आएगा, दोनों ही X क्रोमोसोम्स आएंगे. इसका और इसका कॉम्बिनेशन यहाँ आएगा, तो फिर अगेन इट विल बी अ डॉटर. इसका और इसका कॉम्बिनेशन यहाँ आएगा, अगेन ये प्रोजेनी भी डॉटर है, एंड इसका और इसका कॉम्बिनेशन यहाँ आएगा, अगेन इट विल बी अ डॉटर. एंड हियर दिस विल फ्यूज विद दिस. अगर ये फ्यूजन होता है, इसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी है, तो इट विल बी अ मेल बिकॉज वन X एंड अनदर वन इज अ Y. एंड इफ दिस टू ऑकर्स, यहाँ पे देखो आप इस वाले कॉलम में सारे के सारे मेल प्रोजेनीज हैं. ओके, हियर ऑल्सो यू आर हैविंग दिस वन X एंड a Y1, and here also one X and another one is a Y1. And now see the combination. यहाँ पे क्या आ रहा है? अगर ये वाला है तो this is Y plus W plus, and this is Y and W. Here Y and W, and this one also Y and W. Here Y plus W, and there Y W, and here Y W plus, and here Y and W, and here Y plus W plus, here Y W, here Y plus W, here Y W plus. Okay, seeing this, that in this row all the progenies are daughter ones. ये सारी की सारी daughters हैं, XX, right? And these are all sons. These are all sons with X and Y, right? Now, अब हम इनका वो भी देख लेते हैं phenotype. तो this one is a let me write here. This is brown bodied and red eyed. Brown and red eyed, yellow and white eyed, yellow and white eyed. This is brown and white eyed, again brown and white eyed, and this one is yellow bodied and red eye, and this one is again a yellow bodied and red eye. Okay, what we have to see is this. Check it then here, that this progeny is a parent like. देखो हमने शुरू में parent brown red लिया था, ये parent like है, this also parent like, and this is also resembling one of the parent, yellow white, yes, and this one yellow white again resembling one of the parent. So these 4 are parental combinations. These are parental type. You can say these are parental type. What about these? ये brown and white है, and it's not resembling any of the parent, right? ये brown, हमने brown के साथ में red का combination लिया था, and we are having a new combination brown and white. This is again a new one. It's again different from a parent with yellow attic and white, and here we are having a progeny with yellow body but red eye, yellow body with red eye. So these 4 are non-parental. ये parent जैसे नहीं है, ये new combinations हैं. These are recombinants, you can call them. These are recombinants, you can call them, right? Recombinants, or you can say these are non-parental type. Okay. So he got parental type also offsprings and non-parental type offsprings also. So he did this experiment many a time, and what he found that the percentage of this was quite larger than this one. Okay, the percentage of parental type was 98.7%. 98.7. Again and again he was doing the same dihybrid cross, and again the progenies which he was getting, most of them were of parental type. So 98.7% of the progenies were of parental type, and only 1.3%, only 1.3% was a recombinant type, okay, and 98.7% was a parental type, okay. Then he did another experiment. What he changed there? The change was that now he had taken two different character, and that was eye color and wing size, eye color and wing size. And in this he had taken body color and eye color. And body color and eye color, the locus of these two genes were very close to each other on chromosome. I have shown it, they are very close to each other, right? And closer the genes, more linked they are. And the linked genes are those which on crossing over will move together. There are more chances of moving together. They are always together. Closely linked genes, they always means this high percentage that they will move together, okay. And as they move together, that's why the percentage of parental type, अगर वो एक साथ ही जा रहे हैं तो वो parental type ही होंगे, right? And thus the percentage of that was higher. So the next time when he took experiment, तो जब उसने दो different genes लिए, in the next cross he took eye color and a wing size, and the locus of these two genes on a chromosome was quite far from each other, okay. Not that closer as these two are closer to each other, okay. तो हम जल्दी से पहले रब करते हैं and then we'll do तो I think I have to rub whole, पूरा ही मिटाना है मुझको. Let me do quickly. Yes, and let me write the two parents again. So parents, यहाँ पे I am showing a male parent and here I am showing a female parent, and this time I am taking male as a red-eyed and having a normal wings, and the female one is having white eye and miniature wing, okay. Wing size I had taken here, white and miniature, okay. So the parents would be, this is male, so one X chromosome and another one is a Y chromosome, and here I am having, यहाँ पे this is a Y1 and I am showing यहाँ पे for example. तो let me show with this कि यहाँ पे if I am having, this is red eye, and so I'll show with W plus, and the another one was quite far away from this, and this is no, not W, this is M plus, normal wing, and no corresponding gene here on this. And the other parent जो female है, it's having both X on a sex chromosome, ये है, and I have to show two locus. One is for eye color and this is white, so small w, and the miniature wing, that is M, again here W and M, okay. Now quickly, without explaining, I'll make the gametes first. The two gametes here would be one X, 50% of X type and 50% will be of Y type. मैंने बहुत छोटा सा बना दिया है, ठीक है. And here 100% of the gamete will be of X type, okay. 100% will be of X type. यहाँ पे I am showing W plus, and here I am showing M plus, okay. And here I am showing this is W and this one is M. 100% of the gamete will be of this type in case of female, 50% of this will be of this type, and 50% of the sperm will be of Y type, okay. Now crossing, now हम क्रॉस करेंगे तो पॉसिबिलिटी क्या है कि इसके साथ दिस स्पर्म विल फ्यूज विद ओवम और दिस ओवम विल फ्यूज विद दिस स्पर्म, ओके. इफ इट इज फ्यूजिंग विद दिस वन, अगर यहाँ पे है तो ये क्या बन रहा है, अ डॉटर इज फॉर्मिंग, ये डॉटर है, द रिजल्टिंग प्रोजेनी इज द डॉटर वन, एंड अगर ये दोनों का फ्यूजन हो रहा है तो रिजल्टिंग विल बी अ सन, and we get F1 generation. ये हमें F1 generation मिल गया. ये हमारे gametes थे, and this is F1 progeny, F1 generation, and with यहाँ पे W plus and यहाँ M plus, and here it's W and M, and here I am having only W and M, and there is no gene on the corresponding this, okay. तो हमारे ये F1 जनरेशन आ गया, ये डॉटर है, ये सन है। द डॉटर का फिनोटाइपिकली कैसे एक्सप्रेस हो रही है? दिस वन इज अ रेड आइड एंड हैविंग अ नॉर्मल विंग, व्हाइल द मेल इज white eyed and it is having a miniature wings. Okay, now हम सेल्फिंग कराएंगे. दिस यू नो सेल्फिंग क्या है? मैं कुछ नहीं ज़्यादा एक्सप्लेन करूंगी, मैं सेल्फिंग करा रही हूँ. राइट, मैं यहाँ पे सिर्फ सेल्फिंग लिख रही हूँ. ओके, तो मुझे फिर से इसके 4 क्या दिखाने हैं बेटा? 4 गैमीट्स दिखाने हैं. 2 गैमीट्स कैसे हो सकते हैं? अगर क्रॉसिंग ओवर नहीं हुआ है तो, एंड अगर क्रॉसिंग ओवर हुआ है तो. ओके, एंड इसके तो 2 ही बनेंगे. ओके, सो आई एम नॉट शोइंग इट हियर, डायरेक्टली आई एम शोइंग हियर इन अ यूनिट स्क्वायर, जो 4 तरह के बन रहे हैं. ओके, हाँ, लेट मी रफ फर्स्ट. ये मैंने फटाफट रफ कर दिया है, और ये भी. ओके, यस. तो जो हमारे 2 मेल गैमीट बनेंगे, यहाँ पे देखिए, इससे जो 2 मेल गैमीट बनेंगे, वन विल बी, ये हम इसको यहाँ दिखा देते हैं, ये है विंग साइज, नहीं, ये है आई कलर वाइट, एंड यहाँ पे है विंग मिनिएचर विंग, और यहाँ पर कोई नहीं है इसके ऊपर. नाउ आई एम ड्राइंग ऑफ, यहाँ पे बनाते हैं हम सारे के सारे फीमेल गैमीट्स. तो अगर क्रॉसिंग ओवर नहीं हुआ, पहले तो मैं चारों बना देती हूँ. राइट, 2 हम दिखाएंगे कि क्रॉसिंग ओवर नहीं हुआ है, एंड 2 हम दिखाएंगे कि क्रॉसिंग ओवर हुआ है. ओके, अगर क्रॉसिंग ओवर नहीं हुआ है तो 50% इस तरह के बनेंगे. 50%, यस. अगर नहीं हुआ है तो यहाँ पे ये W प्लस एंड M प्लस, एंड यहाँ पे ये W एंड यहाँ पे M. अगर क्रॉसिंग ओवर हुआ है तो हेयर W प्लस एंड हेयर M, एंड यहाँ पे W एंड यहाँ पे M प्लस. ये 4, ये क्रॉसिंग ओवर हुआ है तब, और ये क्रॉसिंग ओवर नहीं हुआ है तब, और ये हो गए मेल गैमीट्स. ठीक है, अब मैं फटाफट बिना कुछ एक्सप्लेन किए फटाफट बना देती हूँ. यहाँ पे ये 2 X क्रोमोसोम्स हैं, ये डॉटर है. अगेन हेयर ये 2 क्रोमोसोम्स आ रहे हैं 2 पेरेंट्स से, और ये फिर डॉटर है. ठीक है, ये यहाँ से एक पेरेंट से आया, दूसरे पेरेंट से फिर अगेन इट्स अ डॉटर. सो इन दिस कॉलम अगेन वी आर हैविंग ऑल डॉटर्स, एंड हियर वी आर हैविंग अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ एग्स विद अ स्पर्म. ओके, एग्स विद अ, ये ओवम है, और स्पर्म जो है वो हमारा वाई टाइप है. तो ये सारे के सारे मेल प्रोजेनीज बन रही हैं. यहाँ पे सारी की सारी मेल प्रोजेनीज बन रही हैं. ओके, यस. नाउ लेट मी शो, सभी को दिखा देते हैं ये क्या बनेगा. दिस इज W प्लस M प्लस एंड W M. दिस वन, यहाँ पे चलो नीचे चलते हैं. ये W है, ये M है, ऊपर भी W एंड M है. मैंने यहाँ इसके साथ इसका कॉम्बिनेशन. राइट, so this is W plus M, and this one is W and M. Okay, W and M. यहाँ पे this is W, this is M plus, and there we are having W and M. Okay, and here it is W plus and M plus. Here it's W and M. Here it's W plus and M, and here it's W and M plus. Okay, let's see the phenotype of all the 4. This one will be red-eyed and normal wing. Red and normal. Red and normal. Wing size is normal. This is a white-eyed and miniature. White-eye and miniature wings. Again, this is white eye and with miniature wing. Okay, this spelling. And then here it is red eyed but miniature wings. Okay, miniature wings. Here again red and miniature wings. Here this is white eyed. This is white eye but normal wings. With normal wings. Again this is white eye with normal wings. Okay, so again see this, that these four are parental type. Again check it. red and normal, red and normal, red normal, again resembling one of the parent, white and miniature resembling one of the parent, white. So these are all parental type. These are all parental type. Okay, and these are all non-parental, or you can call them as recombinants. These are recombinants. And this time what we found that the percentage of this was nearly, I think, equal to 62.8, I think. Okay, and ठीक है, ये 62.8% आया है, 62.8%, and this will turn to be, I think, 37 point something. Okay, 37.2, I think so. 8 to 10, yes, 37.2. Okay, now the percentage is deviating now. When the two genes present on the same chromosome, when the distance between the locus of the two genes was quite far, when they were away from each other, then the percentage of parental type was less, comparatively to the earlier cross where he taken the two characters very close to each other. Means if the genes are closer to each other, it means more linked they are, less will be the recombinant type. वहाँ पे परसेंटेज रिकॉम्बिनेंट का सिर्फ 1.3 था. क्यों? क्योंकि जीन्स बहुत पास में थी ऑन क्रोमोसोम्स. सो मोर लिंक्ड दे आर, मोर क्लोजर दे आर, लेस विल बी द रिकॉम्बिनेंट्स. ठीक है, और जितना वो दूर रहेंगे पेरेंटल टाइप कम बनेगा. मीन्स वो नॉट थोड़ा सा उतनी ज़्यादा लिंक नहीं है, राइट, डिस्टेंस ज़्यादा है उनके बीच में, तो देयर इज पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ मोर ऑफ अ रिकॉम्बिनेशन टाइप. ठीक है, तो व्हाट ही सेड दैट लिंकेज, क्या हमें कंक्लूजन मिला? दैट लिंकेज जो है वो इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल है, आई थिंक, डिस्टेंस के. जीन्स जितना ज़्यादा लिंक्ड रहेंगी, जितना पास में रहेंगी, जितना ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस उनके पास में, आई थिंक दिस इज रॉन्ग, जितना डिस्टेंस कम रहेगा जीन्स के बीच में, जितना वो आपस में पास में रहेंगी, उतने ही वो लिंक जीन्स कहलाएंगी, उतनी ही वो लिंक जीन्स कहलाएंगी. और जितना उनके बीच में डिस्टेंस जो है वो बढ़ गया, अगर डिस्टेंस बढ़ गया तो रिकॉम्बिनेंट्स जो है वो बढ़ जाएंगे, रिकॉम्बिनेंट्स का परसेंटेज जो है वो बढ़ जाएगा. तो हम ये कह सकते हैं लिंकेज जो है इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू, जितना ज़्यादा जीन्स के बीच में डिस्टेंस कम रहेगा उतना ही रिकॉम्बिनेंट्स कम रहेगा. ठीक है, यहाँ पे रिकॉम्बिनेंट्स इसके इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल आ गया, रिकॉम्बिनेंट्स उसके इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल आ गया. जितना डिस्टेंस जीन्स के पास में कम रहेगा, जितना वो पास में होंगी, उतने ही वो लिंक जीन्स कहलाएंगी, और जितनी ही वो लिंक जीन्स होंगी वो उतने ही पेरेंटल कॉम्बिनेशंस के बनने का चांसेस ज़्यादा होगा, रिकॉम्बिनेंट बनने का चांसेस कम हो जाएगा. ठीक है, तो ये दोनों एक दूसरे के इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल हो गया. जितनी लिंक जीन्स रहेंगी उतना रिकॉम्बिनेंट के चांसेस कम हो जाएंगे. तो अगर जितना डिस्टेंस पास में होगा उतना ही रिकॉम्बिनेंट के चांसेस जो है वो कम हो जाएंगे. ओके, तो ये है. अब आप एक बार बुक पे इसको देखो. आई थिंक आई क्वाइट मेड दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट, है ना, क्लियर टू अंडरस्टैंड, एंड जस्ट गो थ्रू द NCERT डायग्राम एंड ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस now, this cross now. Okay, so I'll come with another topic in a next video. Till then, have a happy learning. Bye.